Hi, Justin from Unique Componentry here. We're going to go over today some of the required things to install your 12 volt conversion on your RV, vehicle, truck, motorcycle, whatever you're going to put it on. So we'll come in a little closer and we'll go over that. When you open your box, you're going to have obviously your dish. It has a 5-foot lead on it with this 2-pin connector, and it's threaded. You're going to have one remote that's a key fob, another remote that's a wall mount. Then you're going to have a 20-foot 8-gauge wiring harness. This is your supply power, hooks to your battery. Red's positive, black negative, ideally directly to the battery. Then the other end is to be cut to length and installed for your application. Then you're going to have the spade connectors to terminate that harness. And then you're going to have the matching receptacle to the end that's on the dish. So when you install this 8-gauge wiring harness, some notes: you're going to want to make this go straight to the battery ideally. If you need to extend this harness beyond 20 feet, we really do not recommend that. If you need to, you're going to have to up the wire gauge from this 8-gauge. Say you want to go another 10 feet, you're going to need the additional 10 feet to be 4-gauge to your battery. You can reach out to us at info@uniquecomponentry.com for more wiring tech support if you have a unique situation that you're trying to work with. But little explanation on how the electrical connections work. You're going to wire that guy to your battery. The other terminals go in the back. The positive and negative go inside the back of this connector. The flag spade connectors connect on there. These are labeled positive and negative, the two terminals. Then this O-ring sealed surface here is going to mount down on the top of your RV, truck, whatever your application is. It's made to mount to a flat surface and seal. Pop 2 screws in it, done installation. The way this connection works, the 2-pin connector on the dish has a tang on it that matches this plug. These plug together, and then your collar screws down and locks it, so you have a good, secure, watertight connection there. In addition to that, also found in your box with your remotes, if you want to unplug this and use it portably, and say you're going on a day trip and you want to use it in your Jeep, there's a cigarette lighter adapter that looks like this. It's meant for temporary use. It has a fuse inside of it. It also lines up the tang, plugs into here, screw that down. Now you have a standard 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. This can run on most vehicles, given that the wiring in the vehicle is sufficient to power the dish. After that, you're going to plug in your hardwire installation or your cigarette lighter, and then you just press your on button on your remote. You'll hear an audible click from the dish, and then wait maybe 2.5 minutes and you'll be up with internet. We're going to go over kind of an odd installation here, just to kind of show that it can be done on just about anything. This is our standard 12-volt conversion, flat mounted. And this is a 2023 Ural sidecar motorcycle. Here you can see that the battery was wired directly to the battery. Right here is behind this panel. Your lead comes down, goes up the chassis. There's a cable gland here going through the sidecar body, and then all of the supplied components that are given in a normal installation kit. You have your receptacle right there inside the trunk. And mobile internet on a motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us with any questions. www.uniquecomponentry.com or email us at info@uniquecomponentry.com. Thanks.